we're having an Eid Around the World fair, which was organised by 4 parents, and they had come to the school and said we'd like to do this for the school community, which was fantastic. So very, very supportive. We've got quite a diverse community at Lady Barn, and that's really something that we like to celebrate. So it's such a brilliant event. You can see there's lots of people here. They're all enjoying themselves. So yeah, it's wonderful, wonderful occasion.
Lady Barn House School was founded back in 1873 and has obviously grown in size over the years. Now there are almost 500 pupils here, many of whom come from diverse communities, which is why a fair like this is so important to reflect the different traditions and festivals celebrated through the year.
हमने मिलके सोचा कि अगर हम एक सेलिब्रेशन रखें हमारे बच्चों के लिए और चीडल के रेजिडेंट्स के लिए ईद के लिए, तो बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है ये, और ये एक यूनिक चांस है कि हम ईद सेलिब्रेट करें, क्योंकि बहुत सारे और फेयर्स होते हैं, समर फेयर्स होते हैं, क्रिसमस फेयर्स होते हैं, मगर आजकल के बच्चों के लिए ज़रूरी है हमें उन्हें सिखाएं कि ईद का कितनी ज़रूरी है और कैसे सेलिब्रेट होनी चाहिए.
सबसे बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट बात है कि हम चाहते हैं कि हम शेयर करें हमारे एक्सपीरियंस. ये मुसलमान के लिए नहीं है सिर्फ, ये सब के लिए है कि वो देख सकते हैं कि हमारा कल्चर क्या है, हमारा खाना क्या है. तो जो लोग पाकिस्तान से बाहर हैं, जो मुसलमान नहीं है, वो ये कह रहे हैं कि हमको इतना मज़ा आ रहा है, इतना खाना इतना मज़े का है. ये जो हमने फैशन शो देखो अभी पीछे वो आवाज़ आ रही है, म्यूज़िक भी हो रही है, तो माशाल्लाह सब इतने खुश है और हम भी खुश है कि हम सारा कम्युनिटी को हमने इन्वॉल्व किया है. हर मुल्क से आए लोग. हाँ, ये बहुत ज़रूरी बात है.
हाँ जी, ये किरण की आइडिया थी ईद अराउंड द वर्ल्ड होनी चाहिए, सिर्फ चीडल नहीं, सिर्फ यूके नहीं, और आप देखेंगे हर कंट्री की रिप्रेजेंटेशन है यहाँ, पाकिस्तान, इंडिया सिर्फ नहीं, सब.
We know we have this kind of event in school, and we just want to let her experience different culture, to basically celebrate with the Eid as well. We heard a lot about Eid, but we never really kind of participate in this kind of event, because we've been in UK for a long time, but we never really go into it. So I thought it's a good opportunity for her to come to join there, experience and see her friends as well.
For us, it's about coming down to celebrate, as it says, Eid around the world. It's all celebrations. The fashion show was from around the world. My children have got Maori heritage, so it's lovely to come and celebrate different cultures.
And what is it that you've enjoyed the most?
We've enjoyed the fashion show, that was great. Of course, the face painting. We're going to go and do some henna. And of course, the food's been wonderful.
Without doubt, this first Eid fair at Lady Barn House School has been a resounding success, with so many adults and children from all different backgrounds coming here and enjoying the spirit of Eid, learning more about how it's celebrated across the world. The aim now is for this fair to become a more regular event in future. This is Almina Ahmed reporting for Independent Urdu in Manchester.